Assalamu alaikum. Okay, so today I will discuss integration by substitution, right? Integration by substitution. Let me start from here. Integration by substitution. This one. Okay. See this definition first. The derivative of f g x expressed by the chain rule d by dx of f g x equal to this. You know this. Okay. Which can be written in the integral form this way. Right. So since f is antiderivative of f, so integral f g x g dash dx equal to f gx plus c. Okay. This way you will substitute u equal to gx, du by dx equal to g dash x, and du equal to g dash x dx. Thus above relation become integral fu du equal to fu plus c. Okay. Now look how to use this rule, substitution method. Okay. Just look over here. Let me write here. If you have this integral, if you have this integral f, and here gx, and then here मौजूद तफादुल of f g, तफादुल of g dx. If this is here, okay, then what to do? See this in this integral f gx and g dash x. Here gx मौजूद and here तफादुल of gx मौजूद. Okay. If this type of integral मौजूद, here gx मौजूद, function gx, and here तफादुल of function gx. Okay. If मौजूद, then what to do? Here take, let this u is gx, function gx. Okay. U is function gx. Again let me explain here. If here मौजूद function gx and here the tafadul function gx. If this type of integral मौजूद, okay, so this gx, hada gx and hada tafadul of function gx. If मौजूद, then take u is gx, take hada u is gx, and then see tafadul. Tafadul yani you will take this way, du ala dx equal to what? Tafadul gx means g dash x, hada g dash x, and this imply, see this dx will here, so this will be du equal to g dash x, and this is dx. Okay, g dash x and gx. After that, what to do? See hada g dash x dx is how become du. Now see the original integral here. Hada f here, substitute here f here, and this gx yani u, this is u, fu. Okay, and hada kamil kam g dash x dx hina मौजूद g dash x dx g dash x dx yani this tu hada kamil integral change like that fu du. And if we integrate this fu du, suppose small fu, if you integrate takamul, you will get capital fu like that. Fu and plus hina CLC, constant of integration this way. So let me explain again here. If you have if hada integral मौजूद, okay, hina मौजूद gx f gx and hina tafadul gx, then this function gx will you, okay, and then differentiate still tafadul dur dx isavi tafadul this gx yani g dash x, okay, and after that this dx here transfer, you will get du isavi g dash x dx, and then hada kamil from here to here, hada kamil put here in original integral here, then this integral will come this way. Now see the question, then you will understand clearly. See this. Let me start from here. Example 1. Evaluate the following integral x square plus 1 power 50. See this integral. Evaluate this. See this rule and see this integral. Evaluate this integral. Number A, x square plus 1 power 50 and the 2x dx. First you tell me here. Let me explain here. See the function. Here look, here function. See this. Here मौजूद x तरबिया ज़ायद 1, x तरबिया ज़ायद 1, आधा मौजूद x तरबिया ज़ायद 1, okay, right? If you see hina function मौजूद x तरबिया ज़ायद 1, okay. If you see तफादुल of this function d by dx of this x तरबिया ज़ायद 1, आधा कम, तफादुल x तरबिया ज़ायद 1 कम, tell me. 2x is equal to 2x. Of course, this is 2x. 2x. Okay. This is 2x because tafadul x tarbiya yani 2x and tafadul wahid yani 0. Right. This is 2x. Right. So now look, what I mean to say. I mean to say like this here. See. Hada. Here gx मौजूद. तफादुल gx g dash x हिना मौजूद. So तफादुल x तरबिया plus 1 हिना मौजूद, आधा मौजूद. Okay. Can you see this? तफादुल x तरबिया ज़ायद 1 हिना मौजूद, आधा 2x. Right? Then what to do? Still hada let u yisawi x तरबिया ज़ायद 1. Why? Why u yisawi x तरबिया ज़ायद 1? Because तफादुल x तरबिया ज़ायद 1 हिना मौजूद, आधा मौजूद. That's why x tarbiya ज़ायद 1 you will take u. Okay. If in the question any function मौजूद and tafadul of that function मौजूद in the question, then you will take that function u. Again I am explaining. Tafadul x tarbiya ज़ायद 1 yusawi 2x हिना मौजूद. Okay. Then this x tarbiya ज़ायद 1 you will take u. Right? And now see tafadul here. Here du على dx equal to تفاضل هذا x تربيع زائد 1 هذا كم تفاضل x تربيع زائد 1 يعني 2x. See this, right? And بعدين هذا dx transfer here. What you will get? You will get du يساوي كم 2x dx. du يساوي 2x dx, right? And بعدين هذا كله from here to here, from here to here, هذا كله shift here, كله transfer here in this original integral. Then what will happen? See this. What will happen here? The integral C. هذا x تربيع زائد 1 كم؟ x تربيع زائد 1 يعني u. هذا u. So here x تربيع زائد 1 يعني u. هذا كامل u. هذا كامل u. And هنا كم باقي؟ 50. u power 50. Right? And هذا كامل كم 2x dx. هذا كامل 2x dx يعني هذا 2x dx كم 2x dx كم هذا du 2x dx يعني du. So هذا كامل 2x dx يعني هذا du. Okay, du, right? And this equal to what? Can you tell me? This equal to, you know the kanun here. تكامل x power n dx. هذا كم تكامل x power n dx كم x power n زائد 1 على n زائد 1 and plus c. Okay, so if here موجود u هنا x, then هنا x and هنا x. If هنا u هنا u. See this. So u power 50 يعني u power 50 زائد 1 by this कानून. x यानी x, but u power 50 du. Here, so x power n dx. So here u power 50 du. Okay, so u power 50 plus 1 ala 50 plus 1 and hina plus आखिर the constant of integration, this one, right? Then आखिर what to do? आखिर this u इसावी कम u इसावी x तरबिया जायद 1 u इसावी आधा u इसावी कम x तरबिया जायद 1 फोग मौजूद u इसावी x तरबिया जायद 1 और हिना कम 50 plus 1 यानी 51 and अल्लाह 51 plus कम c. This is answer. Our answer. Okay. So substitution, you have to substitute. You have to seal u isavi. Then how to take u isavi? Again, let me explain here. Here, see another question. Then it will be clear again. Another question. Let me write here. Another question. See this question. First, let me write this one, number f. And after that, I will solve this number b and c and see this number f. Question is this: evaluate integral sin तरबिया x दर cosine x dx. आधा. See this question. Now look here, मौजूद sin तरबिया x. See the solution. How to solve this? Now tell me. First, you understand here. Sin x. If you seal tafadul sin x, هذا كم tafadul sin x كم tafadul sin x यानी cosine x هذا. See this. So now look, tafadul of sin x يساوي cosine x. So tafadul of this sin x هنا موجود in the question. Tafadul of sin x موجود in the question. Then what to do? Let u يساوي sin x. Why you do this? Because tafadul of sin x يساوي cosine x. Tafadul of this function sin x هنا موجود cosine x. Then you will take sin x, right? And then you will take tafadul yani du يساوي this way, writing direct du يساوي tafadul sin x come cosine x, and here you will take dx this way. Du يساوي cosine x dx. Tafadul of u yani du, and tafadul sin x yani cosine x, and here dx this way. Okay. Now look, from here to here, hada kullo, substitute in the original function. So this will be what? Now, see, hada kamil sin tarbiya x cosine x dx. Hada kam. See, sin x kam, sin x yani u, sin x yani u. Hada, and hina mawjud tarbiya. So hina tarbiya, okay? And hada kamil kam, from here to here, cosine x dx kam, hada. Cosine x dx yani du, this one, du, right? Okay, cosine x dx yani du, and this equal to what? Here y tarbiya du. It means y power talata takamul kam. Use x power n kanun. N yusawi itne here. So x u power talata ala talata, and that c. And this equal to what? Akhir this u seal hada sin x. So sin x power come talata and ala talata, and that c. Hada answer. This one, right? Yes. So this way substitute. Now see another question. Let me write there another question. So before writing another question, see this one. See some rules here. See this rule. Takamul. Here, takamul. If here mojud sin, here ax plus b dx. Remember this kanun. Takamul sin ax plus b dx equal to, if this mojud, okay, then how to write takamul? Takamul sin x yani minus, you know this, minus cosine, write this way, cosine ax plus b, and divided by kullu taqsim this a l plus c. Hada kanun. See this. See here a mojud, ax. So this a is hina. तकामुल साइन ए एक्स जायद बी युसावी सालिब कोसाइन ए एक्स जायद बी, एंड दिस ए दर्ब एक्स here मौजूद. So this a is hina, right? And see this karun same way, if hina मौजूद तकामुल कोसाइन a x plus b dx is b. तकामुल कोसाइन यानी साइन, you know this, साइन you will write ax plus b and divide a A ضرب X, this A is هنا here plus C هذا, right? This is قانون. Remember these two قانون. Here A and B रकम हकीकी. This A is रकम हकीकी and this B is रकम हकीकी. Okay. Now see question here. Example C. This question number B in the example. Here मौजूद. This one. Question number B. Where is the question number B? तकामुल कोसाइन 5x dx, right? तकामुल कोसाइन 5x dx. And question number D, तकामुल साइन x plus 9 dx. Okay, तकामुल साइन x plus 9 dx. Okay, so B is this cosine 5x dx. See question number B first here. Question number B, तकामुल cosine 5x dx. And question number C is this. Question number C, let me write here. Question number C is तकामुल sin, this is D, sin x plus 9 dx. X plus 9 dx, this one. Okay, there are two questions. So now look, question number B here, solution of B. This one, तकामुल cosine 5x dx. See this. Okay. Now see this here कानून मौजूद. Cosine ax plus b. Tell me, if see this कानून, what is A here? Can you tell me what is A here? A is how we come. See here, cosine ax plus b. If you see this and see this cosine 5x, what is A here? A يساوي 5. Yes, A يساوي 5 here. A يساوي 5. Okay, A يساوي 5. A يساوي 5. بعدين تكامل 5 where is he? 5 is هنا تحت. 5 is تحت. See this. Then you write على طول تكامل this equal to what? تكامل cosine ax plus b. هنا b يساوي 0 ما في مشكلة. b يساوي 0 and b يساوي كم? b يساوي 0. No problem. Okay. So तकामुल कोसाइन 5x dx يساوي هنا موجود कानून साइन कम ax यानी हाँ 5x. Okay, and bc, no problem, leave it. And तहत कम इजी, तहत इजी هنا a यानी कम this 5 and بعدين هذا constant of integration plus c. See this. So هذا answer. तकामुल कोसाइन 5x dx equal to sin 5x ala 5 plus c. This is answer. Using this कानून direct. Okay, using this कानून direct. Can you see this? Is it clear? Yes. Now see this question. Question number D here. D. तकामुल sin x plus 9 dx. Now here tell me, what is A here? See this sin x plus 9. What is A here? And see this कानून. See this kanun here. Sin ax plus b. What is a here? A yani hada. Ax hada. A yani this 1. This is 1. And b yusawi come here. B yusawi 9. Right? A maafi 0. Hada ax. Hada 1. If you see 0 yani 0 तब x yani 0. Class. Hina wahid. A yusawi wahid. Right? Now look here. What is kanun? Sin ax plus b. Kanun what? तकामुल sin ax plus b यानी सालिब cosine ax plus b. And तहत easy a. तहत easy a. Be careful. तहत easy a. Okay. So this equal to what? This equal to तकामुल sin यानी minus cosine. And hada same. hada ax plus b यानी x plus हिस्सा. hada कामिल same. ax यानी हिना वाहिद. तहत easy e hada a तहत easy a and a come here a is a wahid so hina easy wahid and plus come c this means what salib cosine x wahid x yani 1 darb x yani x and plus 9 hada same and तहत wahid yani nothing तहत wahid yani wahid this way and c hada answer. Serious. Using this kanun direct. Using this kanun. In this type of question module, sin ax plus b, okay. This takamul here, salib cosine and hada same, hada kamil same, right? And tahat is hina a yani hada. If a hina mojud, tahat is a. Same way here, if cosine ax plus b, takamul cosine yani sin ax plus b, and tahat is hada a ax coefficient of x is hina tahat a, okay, right? Now see another question. If I write this, evaluate this example. Write this. If hada takamul cosine talata x plus ashara dx. Hada come. In a isavi come here. A isavi hada talata. Okay. And b isavi hada ashara. Then takamul cosine come. Takamul cosine yani sine. And hada kamil same. 3x plus 10 and tahat is come a yani talata and plus c hada answer alatul using the is it clear? It's okay. See this cosine talata x plus ashra dx yusawi come cosine yani sine and talata x plus 10 same and tahat kam is a yani talata, right? Okay, by using above kanun, right? Now see this question. So this is why this method direct. Okay, you can do this way also. See the same example, also example here. Takamul if mojud cosine 5x dx. Okay, if you take here let u isavi khamsa x, right? If you take this khamsa x u, then how to solve this? Tafadul yani du isavi tafadul x यानी तफादुल खमसा x यानी खमसा and here dx, right? dx. Then hada come, you can see this. If you taqsim here, du ala khamsa yusawi hada khamsa ala khamsa and hada dx. This one. So this khamsa khamsa cancel. Kam bagi hina bagi du ala khamsa yusawi dx. Baden hada kullo shift here. Hada come is equal to takamul. See this cosine khamsa x come, khamsa x yani u, this khamsa x yani u here, and the hada come d khamsa, du ala khamsa, and this equal to what? See this hada khamsa tahat rakam hakiki, so khamsa sil hina barra wahid ala khamsa and hina bagi takamul cosine u du, and this and hada takamul cosine u du come sine u and plus c here aake, okay, and this equal to what? Wahid ala khamsa darb sine u and u come here, u khamsa x, sine khamsa x, okay, and plus c, okay, so this equal to what? Sine khamsa x and hada tahat mawjood khamsa hada khamsa and plus c. See the same answer is given here. Sine khamsa x ala khamsa plus c by using this method u. If you take u isawi khamsa x, then du isawi kam tafadul khamsa x yani khamsa and hina dx, okay, and baden hina taqsim khamsa cancel, so dx isawi kam dx isawi du ala khamsa, so this dx isawi du ala khamsa yani hada kullo du ala khamsa, and this cosine khamsa x yani khamsa x yani u, so cosine u here, okay, hada tahat rakam hakiki khamsa is hina, and baden cosine u du yani takamul cosine u du yani sine u, this one, and akhir u isawi and hina mawjud tahat khamsa is here, okay. So if you use this kanun, same question u kanun, you will get the same answer, but if you remember the above kanun, cosine ax plus b dx isawi sine ax plus b ala a, then you can write ala tul, hada, okay, this way. So whatever you feel easy you can use, right? Now see another question here. Another question. Where is the question? One question bagi hina, I think. Derivative of hada bagi, okay, number c and number e, number c and number e, see the number c and number e, okay. Look over here, you see number e first, 1 upon x ln x dx, number e. Number e. Let me write this number e takamul 1 upon x and what is question 1 upon x ln x, this is the problem. 1 upon x ln x. ln x मौजूद तहत. This one. See this question E. तकामुल 1 upon x ln x here मौजूद dx. Okay. ln x dx. Right. Okay. See this question. How to solve this? Look over here. This ln x 1 upon x ln x dx. Right. You can write this way. तकामुल बिना वाहिद अला x dx ln x. This question you can write this way. You can, if you want, you can write this way. वाहिद अला ln x दर वाहिद अला x dx. This same. This is same. See this. Hina मौजूद x दर ln x. So if you take this ln x and hina darb x, if you take tahat iji ln x darb x, tahat iji same hada ln x darb x, and fog kam iji wahid darb wahid yani hada wahid, same iji. Okay, so it means you can write this way. Now look here, you can see tafadul ln x kam, tafadul ln x yani wahid ala x dx. You know this. Okay, can you tell me here tafadul ln x kam? Tafadul, if I write here tafadul ln x isavi kam, tafadul ln x isavi wahid ala x hada, right? So you can see the question here. Tafadul ln x isavi wahid ala x. So tafadul ln x, this hina mawjood in the question wahid ala x. So what to do here? Let u isavi tafadul ln x mawjood in the question wahid ala x. So u isavi ln x here. I told you, if tafadul of wahid tafadul of function मौजूद in the question, then that function will u. Okay, so tafadul of ln x hina मौजूद, so and tafadul of this ln x hina मौजूद wahid ala x, then take this ln x isavi u this way. So now here comes sil tafadul yani du isavi, and tafadul ln x yani wahid ala x, and hina uktub dx. du isavi tafadul ln x yani wahid ala x dx hada, this way. Okay, after that look over here, after that hada kamil. Now this one takamul wahid ala ln x and dar wahid ala x dx hada kamil kullu kam takamul wahid ala, see this ln x yani you have taken this ln x yani u here tahat u, and hada kamil kam wahid ala x dx kam wahid ala x dx hada wahid ala x dx kam wahid ala x dx tabdil hada du, this is du, hada kamil du, hada kamil du. So now look, this is kanun takamul. You know this kanun baden, you know this kanun, you know this kanun takamul wahid ala x dx hada kam takamul wahid ala x dx yani ln x n plus c hada kanun. So if hina mawjood u, hina x, here x dx, so here ln x, so hina mawjood u and here du, so this equal to what? ln u plus c, and akhir ln u, what is u? Akhir u tabdil hada ln x. Okay, so ln Nu means ln x, n plus c here. Now the answer. ln x plus c. This way. Right? See this? Be careful. If why you choose u يساوي ln x, because تفاضل ln x, تفاضل this function ln x هنا موجود. Okay, that's why u يساوي c ln x. And بعدين here تفاضل u يعني du, and تفاضل ln x يعني واحد على x, and هنا dx واحد على x dx. And بعدين هذا كله put here, substitute here, then you will get this. هذا كامل تبديل this way. And بعدين تبديل it will be قانون. Okay, so this is about substitution rule, integration by substitution, right? So today I will stop here. Okay, any question here? Any question? Right, so